I went out to Harbor Freight because it's 30% off of anything under 20. And walk around, I saw this. So I thought, oh, that'd be fun. Maybe play with it and then give it to the kids. So I figure, I don't know, see if I can pick it right away. It's like comically. Like, I remember having one of these as a kid. With the fake glove book. It's a safe. Probably should have gotten looked it up before I got it, but as I was walking through Harbor Freight, you just buy what you want. Save your keys. Okay. I don't think I've ever tried to pickle. I think this is a wafer lock. There's the key. So it looks symmetrical. That I do have that Covert Companion that was given for Christmas. So. I'll try that out maybe. I think that's the nice thing about this is it's kind of gimmicky. Because you got all these things here. I really haven't used it much. I've just been using that FNG kit. So I think this one is the, at least from other videos I've seen in the past.
I'm gonna take the twins to nap them if it's not still lay down.
Maybe not that then. This other one. I don't really know if I'm doing this right. It's also showing you the dangers of giving tools to idiots like me. Anyone can buy this stuff. Certain way it's supposed to go. How big is this key? Maybe you just need to rake it open. You still need some sort of tensioner. Back to the reel. There we go. Alright. Again, like, this was cool, but a lot of tools that I don't understand how to use, but realistically, the rake and the tension tool. You can't lock it without the key either. That's cool. Yeah, that's cool. Yeah. But now I know how to speak English good. It's good. Now I can also say I've picked a wafer lock like that. So, cool. So I also got this Bunker Hill Security Hidden Shackle Padlock at the Harbor Freight 30% off under 20 sale. So this is normally, I don't even know actually, look at the price. Normally $12, so on sale it was $8.30 or something like that. So, but I was curious. I honestly have no need for this, but again, when in Harbor Freight, spend money. So I was curious if this was just like those other Master Lock ones that you could comb pick as a bypass for $8.30. Why not? Let's see it. Maim myself opening this. Hopefully it opens up easier than the package. Cool. The key. That's how it opens. It's cool. I guess you could take it out. How many is that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. thick boy first. Too thick. No, turning it the wrong way. It's really cutting into me doing that, bending. Tighten it up. I guess not. Cut myself. Manliest of manly things to do, put on a glove. Alright. Very sharp these are, driving into it. But, let's try to pick it an old-fashioned way then. The old-fashioned way is I've been doing it for about a week. So. And that was it. So, raked open pretty quickly. Let's just do that again. Alright. So it can be raked open. It's actually pretty heavy. Let's try a single pin pick. I wonder if we could just zip it open. There's single pin picking as well. So, interesting. Wonder if I can do it this way. Put that out to see if I can bypass. bending the shit out of that. Alright, well, that's it. So, with the FNG kit, you know, rake and single pin pick this open, but I don't know if I just don't understand the right way to do this, or, but definitely bent that trying to do it. So, well, cool. Well, $8.30 at Harbor Freight, 30% off coupon. Enjoy. Also picked up this 20 bin storage thing at Harbor Freight as well. It's normally $10, so I got it for $7, I think, or $6. So as I've been buying up blocks, trying to get better over the past week, I realized this little toolbox is not going to cut it, as I was already running out of throwing stuff in there. So I think I want to prioritize tools and parts to put in there and store the locks in here, and I can then put them off in the closet or under the workbench. But trying to organize it by the LPU belt ranking system, so having the whites, yellows, orange, green, and then eventually blue. I guess it's probably as high as I'll get, as I'm trying to do all these greens. It's becoming more difficult. I still haven't done the Master Pro Series or the American 1100. I've been able to do most of the Avis 7240s quite a few times, but getting feedback and understanding how these two work, it's actually really difficult so far. I tried to do some progressive pinning in this yesterday, but I put it all back together because I didn't want to lose pins or springs like I did for the one purple Avis. So, yeah. So, might be a good idea if you have limited space or want to store locks like this, because I'm just figuring all this out. Yeah, so enjoy.